In today's video, I am going to teach you how to count if greater than 0 in Microsoft Excel. This is a simple and useful formula when you want Excel to count how many cells contain a number larger than 0. It is especially helpful when you are working with scores, sales totals, quantities, or any list of values where you only want to count positive numbers. To begin, click on the empty cell where you want the final result to appear. This is the cell that will display the count after the formula is complete. You can place it anywhere that makes sense for your worksheet, as long as it does not interfere with your data. Next, type equals countif. Open parentheses into the cell, or enter it in the formula bar at the top of Excel. This tells Excel that you want to use the countif function, which counts cells based on a condition that you choose. After that, select the range of cells you want Excel to check. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the cells. For example, if your values are in cells A1 through A10, highlight that range. Excel will place the selected range into the formula automatically. This part tells the formula where to look for the numbers you want to evaluate. Once the range is selected, type a comma. The comma separates the range from the condition you want Excel to apply. Now enter the condition in quotation marks as greater than 0. The formula should include the symbols exactly as greater than sign, followed by 0 inside quotation marks. This tells Excel to count only the cells that contain values above 0. It will ignore zeros, negative numbers, blank cells, and text entries. Then type a closing parentheses to complete the formula. At this point, your full formula should look like equals countif, followed by your selected range, then a comma, then greater than 0 in quotation marks, and finally the closing parentheses. Press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately return the count of all cells in that range that are greater than 0. If the result does not look right, double-check that the correct range is selected and that the condition is typed exactly with quotation marks around greater than 0. Small typing mistakes can affect the result. This is a quick way to analyze positive values in a spreadsheet and save time compared to counting them manually. That covers everything you need to know.